What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this episode we're going back to the 90s. How many, you ask? Well, who remembers this symbol? No one really knows where it came from, where it started, or anything like that. But going back to that era, I'm gonna use this and bring it into today's world of 3D printing. Let me show you. I remember drawing this all over my notebook in the late 90s, early 2000s. You start by drawing 6 parallel lines and connecting the 2 outer lines with a wide V shape to the top and bottom. Next, draw a diagonal line from the bottom of line 1 to the top of line 5 and repeat to lines 2 and 6. Draw 2 smaller diagonal lines like so to complete the S. Once you have the basic shape, you can pretty much do anything that pops in your head. You can keep it super simple or try something a little more advanced. To do that, just follow the same basic steps but make it continuous. I could go on here because honestly I got carried away once I started, but let's just pick these 3 and get to printing. Choosing a teal PLA because it's a pretty color that surprisingly I don't have in my collection yet. And a silk blue green and black to accent the details for the last one. That will use a little CA glue to connect the 2 sides together and put earring hooks on all of them. And when all that is said and done, all there's left to do is try them on. Here's the first one. Here's the second one. I like the shininess of these. And here's the final pair. So gentlemen, which ones did you like? And ladies, which ones would you wear? Or what style would you do? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.